How to send money from PayPal. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can send money from PayPal, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, sending money from PayPal is also fairly simple. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, launch the PayPal application that you can find here, and then just make sure that you're signed into your account. After you do that, right here you'll find an option that says pay from your phone, so you can just tap on pay from your phone option and then tap the send now option. Now all you have to do is simply select the person to whom you want to send the money, or you can simply enter the name or username, enter the amount of money that you would like to send them, and once you enter that money, you can just tap on the next option here, and as you tap on the next option, you will be able to go ahead and then send them the money. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then basically send money from PayPal. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.